In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the Google Photos app to store and share photos. So, step one, open Google Photos. And then once you're here, or let's just say step two, you have to tap your profile picture or initial. And then after that, step three, tap Photo Settings. Step four, click Backup. And then once you tap this one, make sure that you turn this one on. Backup photos and videos from this device to your Google account. So that means all the files like photos and videos will be automatically saved and back up. So we have here backup reality. We have two options, original quality, so backup with no change to quality, or we have here storage saver, store more a slightly reduced quality. So sometimes it depends on the phone's device capacity. So you can choose either of the two. Step 5, click mobile data usage. Never back up using mobile data. So you have to tap this one and you can see here some options. Okay, so we have here daily limit for backup, no data. That means you cannot download if you're using your data only. We have here also unlimited. So it doesn't matter if your data will, go slow. The important is you have uploaded the files. But we have also here 5 MB, 10 MB, 30 MB. That means you can only store or backup data with this MB. Okay, and then once it exceeds its limit, then it will not proceed. Step 6, tap backup device folders. And you have the option here of which of these folders or these applications you want to have backup. So you can turn this one on and off. It's up to you. Okay, so sharing. If you want to share your album or if you want to create an album and you want to save photos because you're going to share it to your friend. Step 7, create album. Okay, let's just say memories. Select the people, okay, that you want to see or you want to include or maybe part of this album or pictures. Okay, and then after that, after you select people and pets, then select photos that you want to import to this album. Okay, and then step 8, you are now ready to share this album, these photos. All you have to do is just tap share and you have some options here. Click allow, you can share it to any of the social media platforms here. You can even share it to any pages or you can even share it to, or you can even copy its link and share it anywhere you wish. Okay, so that's how easy it is. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos.